Alright, well, I'm gonna take this off of here and see if I can replace the start capacitor. I've already taken this back off and cleaned the contacts on the centrifugal switch. So, and put a little grease on the bearings. It was pretty dry. Now it at least spins okay, whereas before it was a little rough. Looks like this motor was sitting upside down in water because this has a rust mark, or had a rust mark like right about here when I got it. So it looks like it was sitting catty corner upside down in some water. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. Well, as I suspected, you see that thing filled up with water at one point. Kind of gross. And this is just rusted bad. Maybe get some better lighting down here. Okay, lighting installed. But look at this thing. That is just, and that terminal right there just fell right off as soon as I took it off. It wasn't even really connected, I don't think, and it just rotted away. Some nasty looking stuff. So I gotta be careful because this wire seems to be very brittle. This one seems to be okay, flexible, but this one is extremely brittle, so I gotta try to desolder that and try to be as gentle as possible and stick on this new capacitor I found in my stock. It is a little bit smaller, in diameter, but the microfarad range is this is 829 to 995, and this one is 860 to 950, so it should still do the same thing. We're gonna find out. I had a bunch of these laying around, and I just looked for one that had the similar microfarad rating. We shall see what happens. Alright, I got it soldered in there now. Come on, focus. No focus. Okay, well, I get the point. It's in there. I gotta put wrap it with some foam or something to keep it there. Something that's not gonna catch on fire in case it gets hot. And then put the cover back on, clean it up, and then plug this thing in, see if it works. So hang on. Alright, well, I'm all wired up. I got my, follow my diagram right here for high voltage. Let's see what happens here. Yep, plug. Contact. Hey, look at that. Not bad. That did not work before. Very nice. I'm happy with that. I mount it on the machine, and now I'll have a working milling machine that I can make the parts so I can start mounting the DRO. I'm happy. Happy dance, happy dance.